Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy 2021!
Yes, we're finally putting 2020 behind us, and we are here in Waikiki.
On Kalakaua Avenue.
Yes, and we're about to show you what exactly it looks like. During the daytime, I shot a video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I shot Waikiki Beach. I did a walkthrough so you guys can see what the beach actually looked like this afternoon. It was crazy. It was packed. So I'm assuming Kalakaua Avenue tonight won't be a letdown. It's going to be slammed here tonight.
Last year, exactly at the same time, we were already celebrating at Sky Bar, having a fancy dinner.
Yeah.
But right now, there are no type of celebrations. This year, fireworks canceled.
I know a few people asked about the fireworks. That's not going to happen this year. Only locals, and they're already popping off on the west side. We've been hearing it for the past 3-4 hours.
So this year we are just walking on Kalakaua Avenue. We want to show you what it looks like right before New Year's start. And tonight my chef Devon is making a fancy dinner at home.
Yes. So we're just gonna walk the avenue. We're gonna show you guys what it's like. From there we're gonna head home, and then we're gonna close out our New Year's Day. We hope you guys are having a wonderful, or already have a wonderful New Year's and rang it in. Safe, of course. And let's get this video started. Just be out with us.
I can already tell that last year there was way more people on the streets, way more dressed up people, and way more drunk people. But here there are still some people dressed up pretty nicely, like they are going to party. I wonder where they are going. Wow, Shave Ice is still open. I can't believe it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for coming along on this Waikiki walk on New Year's Eve.
On Kalakaua Avenue.
Yes, as you can see, there were a lot of people out and about.
Some people were dressed up, some not.
Some
but
not. It's still early. Right now it's probably around 8:30. Right, so it's still really early, and I know it's probably going to get a little bit more crazy out here, but we're actually going to head home now, and we're going to enjoy our New Year's at home.
Have the bubbly.
Yes,
have some nice dinner.
Because I am starving. But again, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook. We'll leave all those links down in the description.
And you guys do a New Year's resolution.
Yes.
Let us know.
Yes, in the comment, leave your New Year's resolution. We know we have a few. We might leave it in the comment below also so you guys will know what our New Year's resolution is.
It's definitely been a year of change for us. A lot of uncertainties, a lot of change of plans. Mind you, at the beginning of the year, we had a year planned out 6 months ahead, and we had to cancel all our plans, and I'm sure if you were planning to travel too, you had to cancel some travel plans as well.
Yes, so this year we're glad to actually put it behind us and starting brand new in a couple of hours. As far as our YouTube channel, we are going to be pushing hard, guys. We will hope that you enjoy the content so far. If you've been watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please do so. Your subscription goes a long way, helps us grow. We're going to be putting out several videos during the week. We're really going to push hard. We want to get our channel up and running so all you guys can benefit from all the information we provide to you from Hawaii. Remember, we do have 1 year here before we actually pack up and leave Hawaii. So 1 year of coming at you.
Lots of information, and as soon as the restrictions ease up for inter-island travel, we will be starting traveling to other islands as well.
Speaking of other islands, we just found out a few days ago that Big Island has actually erupted. So if you guys don't know that, now you know. Big Island is now flowing lava again. So we're definitely gonna head there. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna cover it for you. We're gonna show you what it's all about. Anyway, don't want to take up no more of your time. Have a happy and safe New Year's. We love you guys. Thank you for your support. And as usual, mahalo for watching,
and just be out with us.